Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum and welcome back to Mr. TECHFOX. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to download Internet Download Manager or IDM in your PC. If it helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. So first of all, open any of your browser. So here you can see that I have opened Microsoft Edge web browser, and after then you have to type here IDM download. And you will get an interface like this. Normally open the first page. And from here, choose Download Internet Download Manager. And now a file is going to be downloaded on your PC. After downloading the file, open it, click on the Yes button to give it a permission. And click on this Next button. I accept the terms in the license agreement. Next, 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 and so on. And finally, click on this Finish button. So that's all about today's video. If I click on this startup menu and search here IDM, here you can see that Internet Download Manager has been shown on the startup menu sidebar. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.